Makita's MT series 230mm angle grinder performs well on larger jobs, with simple, solid power. Its powerful 2200 watt motor has a rotational speed of 6,600 RPM, making this a great choice for not only the professional contractor, but also the DIY enthusiast looking to make upgrades to their home. Some of its features include solid spindle locking button for changing discs without slipping, trigger-styled power switch with lock-on button, easy access brush holders for brush maintenance, and the adjustable auxiliary handle and blade guard for varied working angles. The angle grinder weighs 5.3 kgs, has a cord length of 2 meters, and comes with a lock nut wrench. An outstanding piece of machinery for those larger projects. Now, this is just one of the angle grinders available at Builders. For more product reviews, check out the Builders website or visit the Builders Fan YouTube channel.